want to review this scale. It says Smart Body Scale. That's the second scale I have from this brand. My first one is Pure White, works fine, but this one has so much more information. It comes with the app. You can download the app over here. My phone wasn't catching it, so I just put it on. I have iPhone, so I put Run for Health app, and it's come up with the app. It's a very easy registration. You put all your information like age, height, weight. Then you answer some question what you want. Like I put some that I would like to lose some body fat, for example. It asks you how much you exercise, things like that. Then you need to match to the app, connect to the scale wirelessly through Bluetooth. I was not able to connect it super fast. What I figured, I need to stand on it. Then it's connected right away. And the moment you stand, just stay for a little bit. It's gonna record everything. Told me that, man, I have 25% body fat and my ideal body weight is 11 pounds less what I am right now. So it's very interesting. Also, it has the charger over here, so I believe the batteries are not required. So there is a charger port, like for new iPhone, for example. It comes with 5 languages. It tells you so much more information, not just your weight. It's BMI, body fat percentage, fat-free mass, subcutaneous fat, visceral fat, body water, skeleton muscle weight, mass, muscle mass, bone mass, protein mass. It has so much more. So you know how you can do those body scans in the gym? That's basically, in my opinion, the same thing. I highly recommend it because the moment I tried, I got all the same information that I have to pay in the gym to receive. It's pretty decent. Not a pretty decent, it's pretty awesome weight scale. I'll try to screen record from the app that you can see what it gives. So here I am. Hold on. So it's recorded everything. Let's go to the app. Oh, still in the green. Tells me my BMI. Tells me my fat. Here we will go to the app. We open the app. On the bottom, it will be your profile, from right to left, community, device, and home. Then I stood on the scale, and if you do that, like wherever you weight yourself, stand on the scale for a few seconds while it's recording everything. Then it will give you all your parameters. On the end, it will show you what's your ideal body weight, like what you're supposed to weight, how much you need to lose, if you need to lose anything, if it's in your goal.